Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply add RGB or withdraw RGB or red, green, blue inside of your Photopea project. So first we have to upload a picture, so as I did for this manner, and it's actually very easy. On the right side of your screen where you have layers. And also first one is actually image and the second one is text. We want to go to the background one and click on channels. At channels you see that right now every single one has an open eye or very colorful open eye. So we can just basically turn only red one. Add green or blue. Now you see the blue side or blue colors popping out, green ones, red ones. When we click on RGB, it activates all red, green, blue. And that's basically how we used to have this this photo. But if you just want to go with the blue one and save picture like that for another Photopea project, you can easily do that, or green or red, or all the colors. So that's how easily you can do it and basically get rid of it by simply two clicks. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.